Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to read an amazing story. Are you excited, kids?
Yes, Mom, I'm excited.
Okay, so let's get started. Today's story name is The Weather Friends. Anya was a little girl who loved to play outside. One day, she looked up at the big blue sky. "Hello, sky," she said. A big bright face peeked down at her. "I am the sun," it said. "I am hot." Anya felt the warm sun on her cheeks. "Hot," she said. The sun hid behind a big grey cloud. The sky turned dark and blink, blink, blink. Little drops began to fall. "I am the rain," said the drops. "I am wet." Anya giggled and splashed in a puddle. The rain made her clothes all soggy. "Wet," she said, wiggling her toes in the water. The rain went away and the air grew very cold. Little white flakes drifted down from the sky. "I am the snow," they whispered. "I am cold." Anya made a little pile of snow in her hands. It tickled her fingers and made them tingly. "Cold," she said, blowing on her hands to warm up. The snow disappeared and a strong breeze began to blow. "I am the wind," it said. "I am whoosh." Anya spun around and around, letting the wind push her. It made her hair fly and her jacket flap. "Whoosh," she said, shouted, spinning faster and faster. The wind went away and Anya stood still. She thought about the hot sun, the wet rain, the cold snow, and the whoosh of the wind. "I like them all," she said with a big smile. "But my favorite is the one that makes me feel warm and happy, and that's the sun." Love the story, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Awesome. Thank you for learning with us, friends. See you next time with some awesome stories ahead.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.